Good day, everyone. Please excuse my voice. So, today we are going to talk about tools of nail care. But before that, let's have an activity. Our activity is about two truths and a lie. You will pick which are the truths and which one is the lie. So, are you ready, class? Okay, let's answer the first slide. Can you guess which are the truth and the lie? Excuse me, class. Okay, let's find out the answer. Okay, so the hair blower is the lie and not used in nails. So let's proceed to the next question. So can you guess which tools are usually used for our nails or feet? Okay, let's reveal the answer. Okay, so good job, guys. Thank you for your active participation, class. Now, we are going to watch the video and observe it carefully because you will be having a group activity later on. Now, after watching the video, you are going to brainstorm and form a group for your role play activity. So take note of our lesson and video you watched earlier. Okay, class. Now, taking care of our nails is one of the biggest things we need to do every day because our hands is one of the dirtiest part of our body. Taking care of your nails can help prevent infection and other health problems. Here, we are going to talk the usual tools that use every day on our nails. Cuticle nail pusher. It's stated that it is used to our cuticles, and by pushing back your cuticles, you're clearing away dead skin cells from the surface and allowing your products to seal more easily. Here is the picture of cuticle nail pusher. Next is the callus remover. We can use the callus remover when your feet are wet and the skin has relaxed. Find a cozy, well-lit spot to sit and dry your feet off from the wet. Then you can start removing the callus. Here is the picture of callus remover. Nail buffer. Nail buffer is used to make your nails clean and shine. The purpose of nail buffer is to add shine, like what I've said, to fingernails and toenails by using a gritty surface. In order to make fingernails and toenails shine, nail buffer use a gritty surface. By applying constant and even pressure, nail buffing is aimed at enhancing the outer space of the nail. Here is the picture of nail buffer. Lastly is the nail cutter. The nail cutter, also called nail clippers, a nail trimmer, a nail cutter or nipper type, it is a hand tool used to trim fingernails, toenails, and hangnails to make your nails clean and short. Here is the picture of nail cutter. So, do you have any question, class? Clarification? So, none. To wrap it up, always take care of your nails because being clean can prevent any disease and germs to your food or what you are going to hold using your hands. So maintain the nail care and hygiene procedure, class. That's all, and thank you for your participation, class. We will be proceeding now to your presentation.